Alright, I thought I would do one of these as an example. These are the problems on page 210, 27 through 40 that you guys had. I'm going to do number 33, and hopefully it'll contain all the steps that you would need to solve the other problems. First thing we're always going to do is distribute. So we'll distribute across this subtraction that's inside. 3 times 1.2b is going to give us 3.6b. Negative 1 times 3 is going to give us a negative 3, plus 3.6 equals 4.2. So first, we distribute. Then we're going to combine like terms on each side. There's nothing to combine here. There is no other b term here, but there are two constants that can be combined. So negative 3 plus 3.6 is going to give us plus 0.6. Then we're going to isolate the variable term. So we need to subtract 0.6 from each side. And that is going to give us 3.6b is equal to 3.6. Then we will solve for the variable. So I will divide both sides by 3.6, and b equals 1. We'll put that back into the original equation to see if it works. 3 times 1.2 times 1 minus 1 plus 3.6 equals 4.2. So if our solution is correct, that will work. 1.2 times 1 is 1.2 plus 3.6 equals 4.2. 1.2 minus 1 is going to give us 3 times 0.2 plus 3.6 equals 4.2. 3 times 0.2 is going to give us 0.6. 0.6 plus 3.6 equals 4.2. Add these two together, and we see that our solution checks out. Let me know if you're having any other problems. Thanks.